Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M04. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match. Tap Get Started. Next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be rain and snow with a high of 47 and a low of 28.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.